Hi sweet angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to meet you again, or for those of you who are here for the very first time, I'm so thankful that you pressed to my video, and I really hope that you will enjoy the next several minutes with me. Today's video is gonna be cleaning while I'm waiting and while I'm dyeing my hair and while I'm actually waiting for my hair to get colored for about 30 minutes. And I'll show you how I'm using this like kind of a free time, because sometimes, I don't know what about you, but I'm struggling of having enough time to dye my hair at home. I can't even imagine how to find a time to go to any salon or to any professional to dye my hair and to stay there for about 2 hours. I really don't have this time. So because of this, for so many years, I have no idea how many years, probably more than 10 years, I'm dyeing my hair at home, and I really can do this with closed eyes. I know just where to touch. I know what to do with my hair. I don't need light. I don't need anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna color my hair now, and I think it's 8:30 p.m. or it's almost 9 o'clock. I have no idea what's the time exactly now. But because I can't stand my grown-up hair anymore, so I definitely wanna dye it. Because I have white hair just here in the center. It's not visible when I'm turning my hair from left side or right side or anywhere else, but I just can see it, and this makes me super annoying. And actually I'm dyeing my hair every 3 to maximum 4 weeks. I even can't stand to and wait for about full 4 weeks to dye my hair. And I'm usually dyeing only my hair roots, so this is usually taking me about no more than 10 to 15 minutes with the preparation of the hair color and applying it to my hair. And usually I'm waiting about 30 to 40 to 45 minutes, and during this time I just can't stay without doing anything at home. Maybe you will understand me if you are like me, mom of 2 or even more kids. And I'm usually trying to use this time as full as I can in my 100%. So today's goal is gonna be to clean my bathroom. It's not so dirty, but it needs just type of a like kind of a weekly clean or daily clean. I just used to clean my toilet and toilet seat and my sink mixer like almost every single day, but because I didn't do this yesterday and I'm seeing some spots from a toothpaste or when the kids are brushing their teeth, I will use this time to make a good toilet/bathroom clean. And if I have enough time before washing my hair, I will just put in order some of the dry laundry that I have. And yeah, actually I think that 30 minutes will be enough for this. And yeah, if I have enough time, I will try to paint my nails as well, but I'm not so sure if I'm just gonna have enough time after finish all the cleaning. So yeah, if you are interested in those type of videos, if you want to join me in my cleaning process, and just to let you know that you are not alone if you are doing at least 2 or 3 things at once, I'll be so happy if you join me in the next several minutes, and let's get started. wash out my hair. Probably I stayed more than 30 minutes, about 45 to 50 minutes. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you can get a little bit of inspiration from me, how to multitasking at home. I really hope you like my video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. And if you want, you can ring the bell, so be sure that you're not gonna miss any future video from me. If you have any suggestions for any future videos, or if you wanna see something particular from me, I don't mind what, you are very welcome to leave me a comment down below. I'm planning to make another hair video, because this was a little bit like multitasking hair and cleaning video. I'm planning to make a hair care video routine, or a hair care routine for curly hair, or something like this. Probably it will be in my Monday's video. So yeah, if you are interested, stay tuned, and thanks so much for watching once again. Love you all so much, and see you in my next one. Bye!